always love days like this.
You've got to be kidding me.
Invigorating.
Debilitating.
It's an error of view.
It's a realistic view.
Realism is overrated.
Your rosy-colored glasses are overrated.
All of life is overrated.
Exactly.
Let's give up.
Oh yeah, just sounds good.
That's pathetic.
It's realistic.
What is with this realism kick?
That's the way I lead my life.
Don't I know?
You seem to have forgotten.
How could I?
I'm not sure, but I did.
There are so many possibilities.
Not in this case.
Even in this case.
We're locked in.
Locked in.
Unable to move.
That's ridiculous.
What are our options?
We're free people.
Trapped.
Trapped in your mind.
In my mind, in this situation, whatever.
Step outside.
Can.
Step outside.
I wish we could.
Well, I can.
Go for it.
I will.
I'll see you back in a few.
If I choose to.
Even if you don't, I'll see you back.
Like, this is all predetermined.
It is.
It isn't.
Believe what you want.
I will.
Because it doesn't really matter.
Of course it matters. It matters deeply.
You'll find out.
Life is good.
You'll find out.